days like the rest from a lifetime ago. But time taught me truth, you just reap what you sow. I knew I was slipping when the lies felt right, but a man's only measured with his fists in the fight. I rose from the dirt with a curse in my chest, carved from the silence, scarred but blessed. You thought I'd break, now I light the pyre. A man reborn just to rain hellfire. No prayers left, no peace to conspire. I found my voice in the flood and fire. We fight and we bleed for the ones we protect. No choice to be made, fear won't get respect. Never feared the pain or the scars it brings, 'cause tomorrow always comes, and we're back in that ring. Fire. I rose from the dirt with a curse in my chest, carved from the silence, scarred but blessed. You thought I'd break, now I light the fire. A man reborn just to rain hellfire. No mercy left, no peace to conspire. I live in the storm, I breathe the fire. You wanted war, I'll go higher, and from the sky I rain hellfire.